Hello, welcome to Cooking with Gary. Um, Today I want to show you a little bit how to make that perfect baked potato in the microwave. Um, there is an easier way by putting it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes, but that takes all day. So who wants to wait an hour for a baked potato? So if you want to, I broke it down to a size thing where how many minutes you want to put the baked potato in the microwave. My microwave is about 1100 watts, so you might have to kind of play around a little bit with your microwave and see what works best with yours. But basically, if you want like potato this size, put that about 2 minutes in the microwave. One this size 3, this one 4, but this size 5, and this 6. And it comes out nice and fluffy and easy to eat. And I'm also going to show you basically how to do it. I mean, you don't just throw it in there. What you want to do, I'll use this one. You want to puncture a couple times on both sides. Then rinse it off, rub it up good, get all that dirt off there. And then what you want to do is put about a couple tablespoons of water in the dish. And you put this in the microwave, and about halfway cooking, you want to just turn it. So after about a minute on this one, you want to just turn it and continue cooking. And when it comes out, it'll come out nice and fluffy, and you can add chives and butter and sour cream and whatever anybody else wants. Even put one guy I talked to, he likes syrup on his baked potato. I don't know. I'm not gonna try it, but anyway, that's how to make baked potato. And thanks for watching.